Hey guys, welcome to AngularJS tutorial, and in this session we'll be learning more on routing. In the previous session we saw how the basic routing works in AngularJS. So here we'll be learning how you can even include file names in your when you're giving the redirection, then how you can include file name. In the last one we saw we were just displaying text messages, so this time we'll be including files, and then we'll also see how we can uh, till now we were using app.config for routing, and then we'll see how we can include controllers in this. So let's just get started with this. I've created this file start.html, and I've created this another file which is controller1.js. So just keep on watching. Angular.module, we'll give the app name over here, and then the ng route module name. So just copy paste this. Okay, now we can do the configuration. So here I'll give route provider. So now what I'm gonna do is, okay, when the user is on this, I want to call some other file. So I'll give template as uh, hello user dot html. Okay, so I'm saving it, and I'll give one more. When the user is on this, then I want to call um, page2.html. Okay, and then I'll also include, sorry, this is otherwise, okay, um, I'll just redirect the user to the home page. Redirect direct to home page. Okay, so okay, so we have not created this file. So what we'll do, we'll just create this file. I'll just copy this hello user.html. Just create a new file, save it with this name, and the other file is page2.html. So I'll create one more file, just save this file with this name. Okay, so I have called this file, right, hello user.html, when the user is on this URL. So what I'll do, I'll give some message over here, like um, welcome welcome to home. Okay, okay, I'm just saving it, and to the other page also I'll give some message, like uh, welcome to the something different. This is the second page. Okay, so I've given some messages in this text file. So whenever this file is getting called, this should get displayed, and when this file is getting called, this should get displayed, right? So okay, and whenever user types something else, like the default condition, like not this, and sorry, this should be another page. Okay, not this or not this, then this one should be executed, so it will be directed to the home page. So let's go and check if it's working or not. This is some old stuff, guys. So okay, I'll just reload this page. Okay, I'll go to controller1.js. I'll just reload this. Start.html. Uh-oh, hello user. Okay, okay. So what has happened, we need to give it as URL, because template won't take a file, and template, so we need to give template URL, because this can only take this HTML file, because the template won't take it. So we need to give template URL when you're giving a file name. So I'm just saving it, and let's just go and reload this again. We need to reload the controller again. Okay, start.html. Okay, so you can see, like the message welcome to home. So what has happened, when the user is on this file has been called hello user.html, and what is written over here, welcome to home. So this message is getting displayed. Suppose if we go to the other URL, which is another page, just copy it, And if you go to the other URL, this one, so see, this is the second page. The second file has been called. Whatever is mentioned over here, like page2.html. So here, if you see, this message is getting displayed. So, and guys, so this is how you can use files instead of text messages, because sometimes you may have like a lot of content, so you cannot write everything over here. So rather than you would like to use some file, so this is how you can do. And the other thing is, yeah, we can check this also, the otherwise conditions. So what I'll do is I'll give some random stuff, so it should go to the home page. Uh-oh, it's not going. Home page. Okay, we'll check that condition later. So I was telling you about, right, how you can include controllers in this. So what I can do is I can write some controller, right, like app dot um, controller. And then what I can do is I can give some controller name, controller one. And then if you remember, we used to give scope over here, so I'm giving scope. And what I'll do is I'll give some message, so it would be like scope dot message. That would be this 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 is controller one. This is controller one. Okay. And then what I can do is I can define one more controller. So controller, I'll give it as controller 2. And again here I can give the scope. And then I'll display another message over here, which is scope dot message. So what I'll write here is this is controller 2. Okay, so I'm just saving it. And now you have defined all these controllers, right? But you need to include these somewhere. So what I'll do is I'll include this controller one over here, right? Okay, so I need to write as controller is this. Okay, and the same thing I need to do over here also. So I'll do controller, oops, controller. Here I'll give the name controller 2. So okay, controller 2. And here I guess I need to give a comma. Okay, I'm just saving it. So what should happen now, whenever this file is getting called with with this file's message, the message whatever I've written controller one, that should also get displayed. Okay, so we'll just go and check it out. We'll reload the controller first. Okay, now just go to start.html. Okay, it's not working. Mm. Okay, guys, so I think this one we need to give in double. Okay, and even this one. Let's just save it and see if it's working. Oops. Okay, just reload this. And welcome to home. Okay, this is working, but the controller part is not working. So, okay, controller. Okay, this we have not defined message. So what we'll do is we'll just okay message control S. Just copy the same thing because I've given the same variable for both the files. So paste it over here, right? So now with this message, it should also get displayed whatever is mentioned in this variable, right? In under message. So okay, let's go and check if it's working or not. I'm just saving everything. I need to reload the files again with the controller also. Okay, then page 2, I guess. Yeah, this was page 2. Okay, then hello user. Now we'll go to start.html and we'll see it has come now. So when we are on this URL, what is happening is this file is getting called, which is hello user.html. So this is getting called, and with this we are getting this variable which is message, and which has been defined in the first controller, which this controller, and which controller we have referred over here. So this is guys, this might sound a little confusing, but actually it's not. And so this is how this controller works with the routing thing. And one more thing, suppose for example in this one, if you have given some message also, right? If you give like template and you write here as this is template, then let's see what happens. Okay, I'll just give a comma over here. So what I'm doing is I'll just uh, we need to reload this. Okay, then I'll go to start.html. See, it is saying this is template. So just remember, whenever you are giving template and template URL, so template will always get the preference no matter in what sequence you have written. Suppose if I write it after the template URL, and then also the template will get the preference. We'll just check. I'm saving it, and I'll just go and reload the controller first. Okay. Okay, so if I go here, see, this is template. So no matter, in what sequence you write, if you have given both the things like, template and template URL, so template will always get the preference. So this is how, you can uh, use routing in your AngularJS. So guys, we'll be learning about the, conditional routing, or the, other ways how you can use it in the next session. So till then, keep on. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks a lot.